Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Bold Dil Se, and I hope all you are fine and just enjoying third world war which is happening in the world. Third world war, this world war is happening since my birth. Not I look guys, this a very dark psychology which I really find in my life, so I will share with you. Of course I'm going to share with you. You know what? Why Indian parents born to child? I'm telling you a reason why. Just listen to me very carefully, because I know 19% kids, student, teenager are facing this kind of situation in every home. Okay, so it's not a, first of all, just remove out of your mind that this is a new thing and it's happening only for you. No, it's happening every child. And just because I'm telling you why the psychology, what is the psychology behind this? Indian parents born to child just because they are just to fight each other, and they are just enjoying each other and moment, and just tell them that we are parents, we are your mother, we are your father, we are done yet. Just this want to show off. They just born to child in India. This is, I'm telling you, it's just happening. It's happening in every society and every. So don't we just panic. They are just parents just because they want to show off, because they want to show the world, they want to show the society, they want to show their relatives. These relatives, yeah, these all are just toxic relatives, which you call them relatives. As I'm telling you, your single relatives don't want to see you happy. Write in the notebook. I'm 30 years old, guys, and I've seen this is all kind of psycho people every step of it, and I'm getting through of it. Okay, now you can easily see that I can handle every kind of situation, okay, with very joy. This is like, for me, this situation is like child game. Okay, so don't feel panic, and don't be panic. And first of all, I'm telling you, don't ever commit to suicide and this kind of psychology that you build, that no one is love you, no one will affection you. No. These people are mentally challenged. Look guys, in this world, the world are create like this, where you will get 19% people are stupid. Okay, this is the harsh reality, and you really should accept this reality with a very full of heart. Every 90% people will always find you stupid and mentally psycho challenge. Okay, only 10% people you will see that a good human being who has a understanding to capability of love, who are understanding capability of good thing or bad thing. Okay, you can't believe 15% people don't understand what is the good or what is the bad. Would you believe it? 15%, 15% just neglect it. Can't even understand what is the good, what is the bad. This is good, this is bad. This is the difference. Can't do 50% people. Okay. So just accept this reality and just don't feel panic, because there are a lot of trauma, lot of disease are happening in this world, and not in today. It's happening, I think, always. This earth is always surrounding to this kind of people. So that's why I'm telling you, just be yourself, that you can live in a 10% people. Okay, just live your own zone. Don't worry, live your own zone. And if your friends are not, if your friends are not close to you and they are very far behind, just live with yourself. Just live with yourself, just love yourself. Half of the problems will go on, and just share your thing with them. WhatsApp, Instagram. Just look, guys, these apps, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, use them wisely. Don't be addicted to them. Okay? I think I am the luckiest that I have a friend which I'm a friend which don't have a Facebook. I don't have a friend of Facebook or Instagram, WhatsApp. Okay, so I'm the Instagram and Facebook are in the next 10 or 12 years. So I am very fortunate. I am very fortunate that I have a very good friend circle that I can all look, guys, I'm telling you, if I don't have a good friend, I am very fortunate and I'm lucky that I have a good friend. If I don't have them, I can't describe myself. I can't describe myself. So I'm very fortunate that I have. So yes, just share your thing with your friends. You can share with your thing just only just your friends, okay? Because parents means, I'm telling you why. Parents mean in India, just because they are born to child, they grow the child, and one day they are pretend that we are your parents. They pretend we are your parents. We born you, we grow you. Why you born? Why you grow? Are you out of mind? Why you born? Why you grow? Who tell them to born? Huh? In this poverty, in this low middle class, in this middle class, who tell you? Who are tell you? So just because they are just psycho people, okay? Don't worry. So yes, here we are making a sentence. In the teeth of. So in the teeth of. Yes, this is about, it's like just I gave you a very good example. I gave you very great example. Just listen to my each and every word very carefully. You gonna solve your half of problem, okay? And your English speaking skill is gonna very good, because now AI is coming, and next 4 or 5 years, only people survive who can speak English, okay? People who can't speak English, it's very tragic. Look, guys, I don't have an environment, okay? I grew just like you. I grew just like you, but my English speaking ability is so correctly. You can see. But how I build? I just build my own self, because in childhood I understood very carefully. If I have to make my life, I have to take my life in my own hand. This thing I understand when I was in 12th class, when I was in 11th class. When I was 11th class, I understood that thing. If I really want to live a good life, I really want to take a life my own hand. So I break the law in a 11th class. So because I understood so many things in that time. Okay? In the twinkling of an eye. It's about, look, guys, life is very short. Life is very short. So live fastly and live your own term and condition. And why I'm telling you this thing? Because if you will take your life to other hand, if other are taking your life decision, your life gonna become hell. Your life become gonna hell. So don't take your life to other hand. I mean, no one can take your decision. That's why I'm telling you the psychology of parents. Just understand. Look, these brothers, sisters, also these relationships are fake. Okay, these are totally fake relationship, and I'm giving you a lot of example. Okay, these relations are also fake, but these the label of parents. Look, guys, I really want to build a world like this, where you can see openly things. Okay. So I mean, half of the confusion, half of the misunderstanding will through can away, and people really can do some mature thing, really can do some a very good and great thing which are good for them and which are good from this society and for country, because after all this is our country and this is our society, and as a youngster we have to build it. We have to build it. No have option. And if you can see this Indian infrastructure, you can easily see who are running to this country. Who are running to this country. You can see easily. To fish in troubled water. Yes, the great example like a fish. Why we call a fish? People. Thirsty crow, a fish, a lion, and a rat. This is the story where we grew up. So we can relate easily that what I'm talking about too. To fish in a troubled water. For all intents and purpose. For all intents and purpose. Look, guys, this is a very harsh reality, and also you should have to, if you are living your life pointless, if you are living your life without purposely, one day you can make a suicide. I am telling you. It's a probability of 99%. If you are living your life without any goal, without any purpose, without any ambitious, one day you will gonna make a suicide. Yes. So first of all, just make your life purposely. Don't be live like a pointless. Okay? Don't live like a pointless that you are just wake up early in the morning, you are going to school, you are going to college, you are going to coaching. Yes, you are reading enough, but your whole day, your mind are destructive. Like you really don't know that you should study or not. You really don't know that you really should talk to that girl or not. You really don't know that you are behaving good or bad. If you are live life this kind of this, I'm telling you, this life you can't be survive. You can't be survive, because life will give you a many challenge, many challenge. So that's why I'm telling you, just make a proper decision. Make a proper decision and live to your life in that particular decision. And one day you're gonna succeed. That's why in this world only 0.01% people are success. Success is what? Success is only means that you are living your life in your own term and condition. This is the mean of success. Success is not mean that you achieve IAS, IPS, DSP, SP, and then what you are doing? Then you are what you are doing? Just being a slave. Just being a slave. Now you are IAS. Look, guys, you can't believe. I have seen these kind of people also. These people who are making study, who are good in study, and one day they become an IAS, IPS, SP, DSP. But after that, they become like a zombie. You know what zombie is? Zombie is like, you know what is the correct word? We are Indian people, so we know very correct word. I have seen this kind of people too, and I live with them. I knew their psychology. Very much. And you can't believe that who are running to this nation. You can't believe who are running to this nation. So that's why I'm telling you, only 0.01% people are successing in this world, and 90% people are stupid in everywhere. village, town, city, tier 1 city, tier 2 city. I have seen that life. So that's why I'm telling you with that experience. So, yes, if you are growing and learning and you really think that your skill are improving, just like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.